We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message.
Hi guys, welcome to Mike's Retro Tech and the Retro Tech Loft and another video. We've all seen, I think, well I'm hoping we have, we've all seen the sponsorships that other YouTubers get that do this sort of refurbishment thing for the iFixit kit. Now, I looked at iFixit.com and they were quite expensive. Now, I had a pop-up on eBay to say that there was a special offer voucher discount from a seller that I'd bought for before. Now, I'd bought a fishing rucksack because I do some fishing every now and again, and there'll be some videos on that fairly soon, and it was from them. Now, I didn't realise at the time that the seller was in China, so I thought my heart sank because this fishing bag hadn't turned up, and it was about 3 or 4 days after I'd ordered it, because the listing said it was shipped from the UK. Now, literally the same day that I ordered this with the voucher that came from this seller, the fishing bag turned up, so I was a bit more relieved about that, the fact that it was actually shipped from the UK and it only took 4 days. So the voucher was for, I don't know, 5 or 6% off, and this popped up on their feed. Now, it looks the same as the iFixit kit, and if memory serves me right, most things in China are produced at the same sort of companies, so maybe iFixit badge this, I don't know, but we're going to unbox this and have a quick look. So in here, this is just literally turned up by Hermes, what used to be Hermes, Every, and it came pretty well wrapped. I'd already opened it because I couldn't remember what it was. So that box goes over there, and SGEDDE it says on there, but as you can see it's heat sealed, and it's a 64-bit driver kit. Now, the listing said it had a magnetic case, so let's pop this off. Go. Now, obviously plastic case, so it can't be the same, I wouldn't have thought, like the iFixit, but to me it looked like the same case, so yes, it is magnetic. Well, that's good. Okay, so it is a magnetic case, and then inside are all the bits, and it does honestly look like the iFixit kit, except it doesn't actually tell you on here what the bits are. Now, the listing, I believe, did show a piece of plastic with all the head identifiers on them. But, you know, I think I paid £7.50 for this, plus the discount, which took it down to about, I don't know, £7.25 or something like that. So for a set of screwdrivers, I don't think it's bad, and I needed a new set of screwdrivers because I'm using these little ones, which are fine, but there's not as many bits in them, and the bits get lost on those. So I thought this might be good for the refurb videos. Now, it should have all the classic bits. It should have the tri-wing, it should have the cross head, it should have the torqued bits, it's got the little nut wrenches, and it's also got one of these, which should be, if it pops out, yeah, so he's a bendy head, he's a, you know, screw round corners. So it looks pretty good. So how do we, oh yeah, okay, so compression head. That's pretty good. Okay, locks in like that. Magnetic fit, that's not bad. screw, yeah, okay, screw lid, so you can use it like your watchmaker's screwdriver. Pretty good. Okay, so if we take that out of there, does the bit fit into there? Oh, it does. So we can use it, you know, with a bit more torque. Oh, well, that's not bad. That is pretty good. Well, I like that. So it does very much look like the iFixit kit. Obviously, it's not iFixit. It's SG and DDE. Yeah, no idea what that is. But it looks like it's going to be pretty good. Yeah, so I'll show you very quickly the bits that are on it. And I think that's really good. Yeah, it doesn't come off, it's a strong magnet. And then it tells you on the back there exactly what it includes. So the nut driver, the hex with the sizes. So I suppose that's why it's not on the piece of plastic and rubber inside. But there we go. And does that. Yeah, so it goes on. Right, okay. That is exactly like the iFixit kit. Well, if I can find the iFixit kit that it matches, I'll put it in the corner. So hopefully I can find that. I think, was it called the Manta or something like that? I can't remember. Anyway, it looks pretty good. So I'm looking forward to using this in my future videos, my Midnight Pumpkin videos, my Grasshopper videos, my Mystery Machine videos, whichever videos I'm going to be doing. I think I'll be using this from now on, which means that I'll still use the bigger bits and the bigger screwdrivers for more torque, and probably some of the smaller flathead ones. But it does look like maybe that is all the kit that I'm going to need. Yeah, so there we go. Right, very quick video, just a quick review and an unboxing of this. £7.50 minus discount off eBay, and about a 4 or 5 day delivery, which is pretty good. So they must obviously be shipping from England. Yeah, so there we go. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification icon and then select all so you get messages and notifications when I upload more videos. Leave me a thumbs up and a like and a comment. Stay safe, everybody. Thanks for watching. Come back next time for another video. Goodbye.